Back to my channel. In this video I'll say surface area and volume of a different solid shapes. And let's start the video. And the first solid shape is cuboid. You know what is a cuboid? The cuboid consists of three length, breadth and height LBH. So let's see the formulas. LSA, CSA means lateral surface area and curved surface area. Curved surface area and lateral surface area. Formula for cuboid is 2h into L plus B. And total surface area formula for cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And volume formula is LBH. Multiplying these three values we get the volume. And here are the three symbols of that length, breadth and height of water. And let's take an example about this. And before I have written the cube, I have drawn the cube and I written the values to L is equal to 15 centimeters, breadth equal to 6 centimeters, height equal to 8 centimeters. So let's solve this. First we should do LSA formula is 2 into L plus B. 2 into H, which is 8 into L plus B, 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is equals to 16 into 21. So 16 into 21 value, and the answer is 336 centimeter. So friends, we got the LSA of this cuboid. The answer is 336 centimeters. So let's do the TSA. The formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equals to, let's apply these, 2 into 15 into 6 plus 6 into 8 plus 8 into 15. We'll get these answers as 2 into 90, multiplying this 90, 48, 120. By adding this we will get 90. This is 2 into 258. We will get 560 centimeter. So this is the TSA of this cuboid. So let's test the volume of this cuboid. So let's do the volume. Volume of a cuboid formula is LBH, means LBH is equals to L into B into H. Like we have the values of the 3 is equals to 15 into 6 into 8. Multiplying this with both 90 into 80 is equal to 720 centimeter. The answer is 720 centimeter cube. So friends, this is the model of a cuboid which, so friends, in any other competitive exams or any other school exams too, we will get in a different model. Means they will give the answer, final answer, and they will miss any one of them. It's easy than that. Means we will get the value and we will take off this. Means we will take that type. We are taking out the 8. Let's take the value as x. Let's take the value as x. Means 90 into x is equals to 720. 720 means x equal to 720 by 90 is equals to 8. We will get the value. So friends, in this model they can also give. For these 3 2 also like this they can give. So friends, this is an easy model, and this is a cuboid, means a rectangular type. Next we have, let's come to the second one. In the second one is cube. The cube have all the lengths equal, means A only. All lengths is equal to A equal to side. The LSA and the CSA of a cube is 4A square, and the total surface area is 6A square, and the volume is A cube. So friends, let's do an example about this. I have written the example as the before one. The side equal to 6 centimeters. Then the LSA is equal to 4A square. 4A square is equals to 4 into 6 square is equals to 4 into 36. We will get the answer as 144 centimeters. This is the LSA of this cube, and let's do the TSA. The TSA formula is 6a square. 6a square is equal to 6 into 6 square is equal to 6 into 36 is equal to 260. It's 260 and it simply is a 6 cube because we have to multiply in the TSA we have to multiply with the 6 and we have written the side is also 6. So 6 square into 6 means 6 cube. 6 cube is 216 centimeters. So friends, this is the TSA of this cube. Let's do the volume. So friends, let's do the volume of this cube. Let's do the volume. The volume formula is a cube. A cube means we have to do 6 cube. 6 cube means what? 6 cube is equal to, as we know that, 216 centimeter. So friends, we have got here 216 is the volume of this cube. So friends, here TSA and volume is the equal, but it's a centimeter. It's a centimeter cube. So friends, in the volume is 216 centimeter cube of this cube, and the LSA is 144 centimeters, and the TSA is 216 centimeters. So friends, let's go to the third one. Let's come to the third one. The third one is a cylinder. The cylinder consists of a height and a radius. The height will be computed from the upper circle center to the lower circle centers. The distance between the two centers is the height, and the two circles have the same radius. And we will see the formulas of the LSA, TSA and the volume means LSA formula is 2 pi RH and the TSA formula is 2 pi R into R plus H, and the volume formula is pi R square H. Here H means height, R means radius. So let's do an example on this. So we have taken a cylinder. Let's take a cylinder. Here there is a cylinder of height 21 and radius 4 centimeters. So radius 4 centimeters means, let's do LSA. LSA is equals to 2 pi RH. 2 into, so friends, don't worry, pi value is 3.14. 3.14 multiplying the decimal value will get a hard to multiply the all numbers. So friends, take 22 by 7. 3.14 and 22 by 7 both are equal. The pi value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Anything we can write. I am writing 22 by 7 because there will be a cancellation. So 7 table, in the 7 table 21 is there. So 7 3s are 21. There will be a cancellation. By the cancellation we will get the answer easily. So I am writing 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into R is 4 into 3, 21. 7 1s, 7 3s. There will be, so we can multiply now. 12 is equals to 44 into 12 is equals to, the answer is 528 centimeters. 528 centimeters. The LSA of this cylinder is 528 centimeters. So friends, let's do the TSA of this cube. So friends, let's do the TSA of this cylinder. The TSA formula is 2 pi RH into R plus H is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 4 into 4 plus H value is 21. So we'll get the outer 2 into 22 by 7 into 4. We are getting them out into 4 plus 21. 7 1s, 7 3s is equals to 44 into 16 into 3 is equals to 2412 centimeters is the answer. Multiplying these three, we'll get the 2412 is the answer. So let's go to the volume. So friends, the volume of a cylinder formula is pi R square H is equals to 22 by 7 pi value into R means 4 into 4 square into 21. 7 1s, 7 3s is equal to 22 into 16 into 3 is equal to, multiplying these both, 66 into 16 is equals to 1503 centimeter cube is the answer for this, and 1503 is the centimeter volume for this cylinder. So friends, in this video I said volume, LSA, CSA, TSA and the volume, and for the cuboid and cube too I have said with examples too. So friends, in these The surface area and volume of different solid shapes have 8 figures. In this video, I have covered 3 figures. In the next video, I will cover all rest of 5 figures. This is the part 1. So friends, in the part 2, I will meet with you. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.